Hey babes, welcome back. So let's get right into it, y'all. We are doing something different. We're not putting on a wig today. So the girls are getting the flip over sew-ins. So this look is a sew-in where the perimeter of your hair is left out. So with my client today, she did want her full perimeter left out, so I went over her whole head and left out enough hair for her to pull it up and have the most versatility. With other clients, if they want that look without all the leave out, all you would do is pull out the front perimeter of their hair just to cover the tracks, okay? So you see I'm flipping the hair over the rat tail comb to make sure that if I can see the comb through the hair, then I don't have enough hair. So that way you can gauge if you have enough hair to cover your tracks. So now I'm just double checking around her whole perimeter. And then I'm just going to braid that leave out and put that away just to get it out of my way. With the remaining hair, I'm just going to do regular wig braids. No, I'm lying, y'all. Okay, so I do go in and do an anchor braid, which you're going to see. I'm going to do a small braid just to go around, like following behind the leave out. And then the rest are going to be like straight back wig braids. But you'll see. Y'all will see in the video.
All the magic go. I followed the rules and told you everything you had to know. Had you over every night was passionate. Plus you met my mother even if it was an accident. I'm confused, tell me where we go wrong. I was sure that I would be with you for so long. I was planning on this being something worth mentioning. Energy invested in someone I saw potential in. Who killed chivalry? They need to get their sentence in. Meanwhile we arguing and I can't get a sentence in. And just as I predicted, here we go again. They always say the hottest love has the coldest end.
Oh, you had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. Can't stand the rain in July. There were fireworks exploding, but now it's getting colder. The leaves are turning colors. Why? It's just not our season. The one and only reason. Baby, oh, summer turned into fall.
Okay, y'all remember the anchor braid. Now I'm about to do the anchor braid. So I'm taking a small amount of hair right behind that leave out, and then I'm just braiding it across, and it's gonna connect to one of the back braids in the back. If that makes sense, y'all. I'm trying to explain it for y'all. So I'm gonna do like a complete braid, just how we braided the leave out, right? So you want to do it nice and tight and small, just so that when you start sewing and you want to sew up to the top, it has something to hold on to. Alright, y'all, so after I did that ankle braid, I went to braid the rest of the hair straight back, just how we do like regular wig braids. And then I went ahead and sewed a hairnet on those braids because you want to protect the hair. So you want to sew that around the perimeter on the braids. Okay, and after I finish cutting that net off, I go in and start sewing my first track down. I do double weft all of my tracks up until I get to the top. So I'm starting towards the front of her face just so that the hair falls forward. I don't ever start just in the back of the head, just so it can give more volume in the front of the face.
like the girls over my eyes. Yeah, devil in a dress, angel with some night airs. I could have sworn I went to sleep and she was right here. Don't know if I seen her in my dreams or my nightmares. Think it was my nightmares. And I think I need your love, I don't need no one selfish. Wonder if I get this girl my heart, could she help it? Yeah, you know she's an angel, if you let her tell it. Baby, hot as hell, she got kicked out of heaven. You know I love them braces, them big lips, that red skin. You know I love her faces, she make me.
And as you continue sewing in those bundles, you want to keep going in like a U shape all the way up into the head, all the way till you get to the top of the head. So you keep doing a U around the head.
Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hit now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch? Do I know what time it is right now? It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you right now. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she ever said is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. I've been up for 2 whole days thinking what I did to keep you going. Thumbing through the voicemails that you left me, telling me where I went wrong. I'll admit I'm sorry when I've been, I'm truly sorry. Things change, people change, feelings change too. Never thought the circumstances would have changed too. You said you never traded no, and I believed you when they told me don't. But either way, you're still invited and I can't even let you. Swear these days all you say is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she hit me with is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. Oh, y'all never come to me. Y'all never come to me. Why you gotta start, girl? Why you gotta start? I know we make time for the things that we want. I know you got another nigga trying to play the part. Just cause he got a heart don't mean he got a heart. Could be standing in the field and he still ain't in the field. If anything should change, then I thought we had a deal. Lately you keep questioning what you get out the deal. Doing things to make me feel the way I make you feel. How hard is it to let you know when I'm coming home? That way you could be prepared. Maybe take a couple sick days and not miss pay. I don't even know what things are looking like inside of your place. How it's decorated. This thing is getting one-sided. I can't even lie to you right now. Yeah. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. Y'all never come to me. Y'all never come to me. Yeah. All she hit me with is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. Y'all never come to me.
And sorry y'all, I forgot to show y'all how I did the top of the how I closed in the sew-in, but I'll be doing another video with that shortly, in like a few weeks. But y'all, after that we blow dried this hair out because the curls were just too tight for our liking. So I went ahead and blow dried the hair out and I wand curled it. So now you see me just pressing out her leave out, and then we're gonna get into the wand curls.
Somebody to come bring you flowers. Someone to talk to for hours. Wash your back while y'all sit in the shower. Someone to tell you you're beautiful. Someone to tell you and mean it. Someone to tell you I love you every day and don't got a reason. Want someone to bring you peace.
Alright y'all, so I went ahead and curled her whole head, but I came back to show y'all how I'm doing it with the leave out. So I'm just literally wrapping the hair around the wand curler. I like to do not too small but not too big of sections. And then with the leave out, I like to grab a piece of leave out and also a piece of the hair extension and wrap it around the wand curler together. I feel like it helps it blend better.
I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires. You got that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees every day, had to talk beside. I'm in that 80 and one of the twist different prior. I try to pay all your loans off and copy you a driver. I had to stand too close to the city, you acting too vulnerable living this life. I still walk your way from history before I copy all this ice. You wanna be my number one, you're not acting like the main thing. I let you play my number two, you barely made the second change. Put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know.
Alright, and y'all, we are now getting close to the end, so I went ahead and curled her baby hairs up. And at this point, you could pretty much play with it how you want it. Some people like theirs to be tighter. Some people like theirs to be more volumized, more big. So you can just run your fingers through them and they will fall perfectly. So after this, I went ahead and just put a little bit of gel on her baby hairs and did her baby hairs. And guys, this is the finished look. Like, this is the perfect summer vacation look. Like, I love these flip over looks. Like, they're just so cute and natural. But y'all, thank y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know I say this in every video, but don't forget, and I will see y'all next week.
Shawty, you tried it. Voice getting filled with entitlement. Why would you tell me those lies? Why would you make it so bold to my face? Why is stories all over the place? Whole lot of secrets friends don't keep safe. Where did your friends all go? I can't solve your problems. You say your problems never needed solving. I was too good till you should've stayed silent. Nice guys always finish off where they started. They shop who you wanted, things ain't.
And if y'all wondering what products I use for my clients, all of my hair products are located in my Amazon storefront, linked in the description below. You will see exactly where they got their hair from, what products I'm using. Everything is linked down in the description.
Crazy how you gotta wait until it's dark out to see who really with you. Crazy how even when it miss you, shit'll come back around and get you. Crazy like all my niggas. Crazy like all my niggas. Remember I deleted all my other girls' numbers out the phone for you. Remember when you had to take the bar exam I drove in the snow for you. Yeah. You probably don't remember half the shit a nigga did for you. Yeah, you ain't really fuck with me way back then, but how about now? Cause I'm up right now. And you suck right now. Oh, you thought you had it all figured out back then, but how about now? Cause I'm up right now. And you suck right now. Yeah, you thought the little effort that you put in was enough, girl. How about now? Yeah, girl, how about now? How about now, girl? What about now, girl? How about now? Yeah, always been daddy's little angel. I bought your dad a bunch of shit for Christmas, he ain't even say thank you. I had no money left from acting, I was focused on the music. I used to always try and burn your CDs to my new shit. You be like, who's this? I be like, me, girl. You be like, oh, word, true shit. Then ask if we can listen to Ludacris. Car rides made me feel like I was losing it. Yeah,